Today, we're going to create a simple calculator using Python. You'll learn how to build a basic calculator that can perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So, let's get started. First, open your favorite code editor, and let's write the Python code for our calculator. Here's what each part of the code does. We start by getting two numbers from the user using the input function. Next, we ask the user to enter an operation, addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. We use if-elif-else statements to check which operation was entered, and then perform the corresponding calculation. If the operation is not one of these four, we print invalid operation. And there you have it, a simple calculator in Python. You can run this code by copying and pasting it into your Python environment. It's a great way to practice your Python skills and understand the basics of user input and conditional statements. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Obian, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial. Happy coding!